Hey there, Dino enthusiasts. Ever wondered what prehistoric beasts might have stomped around your neighborhood millions of years ago? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through time and uncover the ancient residents of your very own backyard. Picture this, your cozy suburban street, but instead of cars and mailboxes, there are towering dinosaurs roaming freely. Sounds crazy, right? But believe it or not, long before humans came along, these incredible creatures ruled the earth. And they were everywhere, including right where you're standing now. Thanks to some seriously cool paleontological research, we can now get a pretty good idea of which dinosaur species called your area home. It's like CSI, Jurassic Edition, where scientists use clues from rocks, fossils, and geological history to piece together the prehistoric puzzle. So, how do we figure out which dinos were chillin' in your hood? It all starts with understanding the lay of the land. Way back when, you see, Earth looked way different during the age of dinosaurs. Continents were in different positions, sea levels were all over the place, and the climate was doing its own thing. Let's say you live in what's now the American Midwest. Millions of years ago, that area was covered by a shallow sea called the Western Interior Seaway. This means your backyard might have been home to some seriously gnarly marine reptiles like mosasaurs or plesiosaurs. Not technically dinosaurs, but still pretty awesome. Or maybe you're on the East Coast. During the Triassic period, this region was part of a supercontinent called Pangaea. Your backyard could have been stomping grounds for early dinosaurs like Colophysis or Anchisaurus. These guys were some of the OG dinos, paving the way for the bigger, badder beasts that came later. West Coast peeps, don't think we forgot about you. Your neck of the woods was a whole different ballgame. Parts of California, Oregon, and Washington were actually underwater during much of the dinosaur era. But as land emerged, it became home to some famous faces like Stegosaurus and Allosaurus. Imagine those spiky-backed and sharp-toothed predators duking it out in what's now your local park. Now, let's zoom in on some specific regions and the dino-stars that might have called them home. If you're in Montana or the Dakotas, congrats. You're living in prime T-Rex territory. The iconic Tyrannosaurus rex roamed these parts during the late Cretaceous period. But it wasn't alone. This area was also home to horned dinosaurs like Triceratops and duck-billed hadrosaurs. Down in the southwest, like Arizona or New Mexico, your backyard might have been a hangout spot for long-necked sauropods like Alamosaurus. These gentle giants were some of the largest land animals ever to walk the earth. Just imagine one of these bad boys trying to squeeze through your fence. East Coast folks, particularly those in the New Jersey area, might be surprised to learn they're living on what was once dinosaur central. The famous Hadrosaurus, one of the first nearly complete dinosaur skeletons ever found in North America, was discovered right there in the Garden State. But it's not just about the big names. Your area might have been home to lesser-known, but equally fascinating dinosaurs. Take Deinonychus, for example. It's a raptor-like predator inspired the velociraptors in Jurassic Park. Deinonychus fossils have been found in Montana, Wyoming, and Oklahoma. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is cool and all, but how do scientists actually figure this stuff out? Great question. It's all about the rocks, baby. Paleontologists study the layers of rock in different areas to determine their age and the environment they formed in. They look for fossils, of course, but also analyze the type of rock, its composition, even tiny microfossils that can tell us about ancient ecosystems. But here's the kicker. Just because we haven't found fossils of a particular dinosaur in your area doesn't mean it wasn't there. Its fossilization is a rare process, and we've only scratched the surface of what's out there. Who knows? The next big dinosaur discovery could be hiding right under your feet. So, next time you're chilling in your backyard, take a moment to imagine the incredible creatures that once called it home. Maybe a T-Rex once took a nap right where your hammock is now. Okay. Or perhaps a herd of Triceratops grazed on the spot where you're growing tomatoes. The world of dinosaurs might seem like ancient history, but in the grand scheme of things, it wasn't that long ago. These amazing animals ruled the earth for over 160 million years, adapting and evolving to fill every niche. And while they may be gone, their legacy lives on in the birds we see every day, the last living descendants of those mighty prehistoric beasts. Now, I've got a challenge for you. Do some digging into the geological history of your specific area. Might be surprised at what you find out about your prehistoric neighbors. Who knows? You might even inspire the next generation of paleontologists. Remember, every fossil tells a story, and every rock holds a clue to our planet's incredible past. So keep your eyes open, stay curious, and who knows? Maybe you'll be the one to uncover the next big dinosaur discovery right in your own backyard. Until next time, keep those dino dreams alive and never stop exploring the amazing world around us, both past and present. Who knows what other prehistoric secrets are just waiting to be uncovered? Stay tuned, Dino detectives.